Hi buds! Do you give back to your community with service or by volunteering? Well, SOU Connect provides a system to track all of your hours. It's a great tool to help obtain scholarships and build your resume. Let's show you how to set this up. Alright, so just to quickly review, SOU Connect is an online platform to find and track all your leadership and involvement opportunities as an SOU student. You can get to SOU Connect by visiting the link on the bottom of your screen. There's also a link on Inside SOU and the Student Life webpage. Great, so your profile is going to look a little like this when you log in. There are two ways to track service hours. The first is if you are volunteering by yourself or through an organization off campus. The way to do that is to go up and click your name, and then you're going to click Involvement, and then you're going to click Experiences. From Experiences, you're going to click Add, and then Community Service. So this is where you'll put in all the information about your off-campus opportunities. So let's say you showed a tourist how to get to OSF. Great. So then you're going to fill in the description, maybe talk about, maybe this was through OSF. You can just put their name right there. You can put in the date. Well, you'll be required to put in the date and the start date and the end date, and then the total number of hours that you contributed to that volunteer opportunity. At this time, you can also add in a reflection, maybe something about what you learned. I learned I like tourists and the theater. Whatever you want. You can also put in contact information for the group or upload any information about your experience that you'd like the system to know. Then you would just go ahead and click Submit, and it would just be saved in your experiences, which would then in turn show up on your co-curricular transcript when you do go to that document to download it. Now, the second way to track service hours or volunteer opportunities is through the Service Hours tab in the My Involvement section right here. We'll just go in and click this. Now, you will use the Service Hours features for when you're completing service or volunteer work with an on-campus group. All right, so let me show you how that works. So from this page, right here, you're just going to click Add Service Hours, and you're going to select the organization that you volunteered with. So let's just say I volunteered with New Student Orientation. All right, so I helped greet. Oh, it helps if you spell things correctly too. Let me tell you that. Help greet parents at a social. Again, it really helps if you spell things properly. All right, so then you just go ahead and put in the date. Let's say we did this for an hour and 30 minutes. You can also submit a verification contact if you would like. But at this point, you would just click Create. So this is pending now. Now the primary contact of new student orientation, will get a message saying that somebody within their organization has submitted some service hours. They can log into the system and they will either approve or deny that you worked those hours. Again, once those have been approved, those are going to show up on your co-curricular transcript, which is the document that shows all of your leadership and involvement from participating on campus as an SOU student. I'd highly recommend you checking out the video on the co-curricular transcript called Track Everything You Do. Alright folks, if you have any other questions, comments, or concerns about SOU Connect, please contact Larry Locke, the Assistant Director for Leadership of Student Life. His information is on the screen in front of you. Have a great one.